How y'all doing? Got a little video for you here. I've been wanting to do it for a while. Finally got a chance here. Finally remembered to get something to do it. Anyway, alright, so what we got here tonight? I'm going to try my first hot sauce based adult beverage. That's right. Alright, so did a review on this sauce earlier. I got it from HarmonHeat. I'll drop his link down there to his channel. This has ingredients, has oranges, peppers, vodka, Sprite, triple sec, and carrot, vinegar and salt, and black pepper. Orange crush. When I did that video, I said, it might be interesting, and I got to come up with a little idea. So, what we're going to do tonight is we're going to have a screwdriver. Not the ones you twist in a screw with. One of these. That's right. Absolutely. That's right. Absolutely. Mayonnaise, a lot of vodka in here tonight. Anyway, enough of the redneck jokes. So we're going to have a orange crush screwdriver. And what better to have it in than an antique vintage glass that comes from the long gone aisles of Red Lobster. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, a little Absolute there. Alright. Alright. We absolutely took care of that. Let's try a little of this here. Orange crush. Smell that triple sec. Look at that vodka. Alright guys. Cheers. Alright. We're entering uncharted territories around the aisles of Red Lobster. Alright, we're going to need a stir stick. Alright, that ought to do it. Interesting. Alright, so I really didn't taste much there, but a little orange juice. So let's put a little dribble on top here. Okay. Orange crush. Screwdriver. Alright guys. Better late than never. You know what them Red Lobster onions used to do? That's intensely enjoyable. That's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Getting a little, it's cold, it's sweet. You can taste the triple sec in there, even with the hot sauce and the whole 9 yards and the peppers. That's interesting. It's actually not bad. Yeah, I hadn't used this since. I've been kind of holding off on it till I did this video. I mentioned it when I did my review. I'm glad I didn't. I might have to drink a few more of these. It's really pretty good. I don't know if it needs more of the hot sauce. I'm getting a little afterburn off of that. But genuinely, it mixes well. Unless it's, hell, it might all settle to the bottom. I don't know. Let me see if I can find something to stir it. Hang tight. I don't know if the hot sauce is all settled to the bottom, and or what. I found a stir stick. taco season in Illinois. All right, guys, let's try it again. Not much difference. It's still intensely good. Yeah, I mean, hey, what do you know? HarmonHeat, extra spicy D. You guys ever try this? If you got a bottle left over, you might want to try this. Straight out of Maryland. I think the Isle of Red Lobster, ain't that off the coast of Maryland? I thought it would be a little crazier. It's actually, this was actually a pretty good idea. I don't come up with too many of those, but this was a good idea. I don't know if any of my YouTube subscribers that sees this video got a hold, you know, and traded or did some buying or trading with HarmonHeat, but if you got a bottle, give it a shot. I traded him a couple bottles of my homemade sauce. That's what us crafters. That's kind of the cool thing. It's like, hey, you got a new sauce? I'll trade you one of mine for it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright guys, I'd sit here all night and drink this whole thing with you, but I don't want to chug it. I kind of want to enjoy it. With all my vodka. That's crazy. I thought this was going to be like a crazy reaction video. It's actually just an enjoyable. Well, guys, there you have it. My first hot sauce infused drink. Pretty cool. Catfishredneck signing out.